Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add an event to calendar on OPPO Reno 12 FS. To do it, first open calendar app. It's here. Let's open it. And now click on a plus, event, add a title, and now you can set it to all day if it's all day long, and set the start date, end date, start hour, finish hour, change the time zone, set if it repeats, add people, and more things like notifications before the event beginning. Then press on save, and my new event is set to 23rd and 24th. You can delete the event by sliding it like that. Okay, and my event is deleted. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.